Okay, well, I'm going to try this again. So this is exercise 1.8. It's on the acquisition of net assets. So they're not creating a new subsidiary. They're actually acquiring the assets from another firm. When they do that, they might have had some acquisition expense, such as accounting and legal expense, or in this case, they use a search firm to find the subsidiary they wanted to acquire. And we're going to expense that. And then they may have had goodwill. So if they paid more for the firm than the value of the net assets, they would have goodwill. So remember, we're doing fair value here. Okay, so I've already written in the journal entries. So what happened is they paid $60,000, so they thought the value should be $60,000 right here. And so they paid cash that amount, and then they're going to record the fair value of the assets, which is 71, not the book value. So the book value was 55, they're not recording that. And then they recorded the fair value of the liabilities, which equaled the book value, and that's pretty normal because they're going to have to pay off those debts. Okay, so that's what they did. So they paid more, right? So what they gave up was greater than the fair value of the assets. Okay, so they gave up 60,000, right? So that's the cash they paid. Okay, and what did they receive? They received assets valued at 51,000, right? So that was the 71,000 minus the 21,000 of liabilities. As a result, what's going to happen is they are going to record goodwill. Also in the problem, you'll see they had finder's fees here, right? So they paid somebody to go out and find this firm. So that was an acquisition expense. They're not going to put that in this entry here, right? It's not going up here. It's going to go down here, and they are expensing it. Okay, so they would have a merger expense here or acquisition expense, and they paid cash of $4,000 for that. Okay, so that's what's happening with that.